Guys, happy Saturday, guys. It's getting late. I needed to do this quick video for a relocating client. So y'all join me. I was supposed to do it earlier today, and I did not. So here we are now. Okay. All right, she is coming along. She was cited for was it a May, June closing? Right, this one is this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a office, a home office, and an upstairs game room, right? So let's go check her out. Right, she's what we call a 1.5 story home, right? The majority of the home is on the bottom floor and half of it is upstairs. You see that back, right? That's the half. And that's where there's a game room and then a bedroom suite, right? So let's see what's going to be the best way to get in. I got my tennis shoes on today. Y'all, I was out and about all day today. As soon as I left the house, I had flip-flops on, and one of them broke. It was a kind of miserable day, and it was nowhere good to really stop and get anything. So I was just doing something else, but I ran home and got my shoes, and I had to come back out and do this. All right, y'all, I'm just talking now. But let's go check her out. Okay, I hope they haven't locked her. So they're doing the grading. Right, got the uplights. The brickwork looks wonderful. Beautiful brick and stone. Please don't be locked yet. Yay. All right. Oh, yeah. They are getting after it. Okay. Oh, is the lights on? No, lights no on. Lights not on. They don't have them connected yet. Okay, the floors are all in, I see. Right, they have the trim and the baseboards. Okay, so this is the home office. This home is about 2,600 square feet. This one is about in the 480s. This is over in Dallas County. It's about in the 480s. I love that door. I'm gonna keep that door open because the light is on low. All right, here's the laundry room. Okay. Ew. Oh, girl, your kitchen is nice. Oh, you didn't get that window, but girl, what do you think? And I hate that you can't see any light. All right, let's see. Yep. 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 So they're waiting on the appliances, right? They're waiting on the appliances. The cabinets are all in. They were here last time, but they were not installed. Right, yep, there's that backsplash. That backsplash complements these cabinets really well. I don't know if you can, because it got like a little hint of, yeah, it's popping. I don't know if you can see. Yep, they're waiting on the appliances. All right, waiting on that oven. Yep, this pantry's all done. They got the trim in, they just got to paint. All right, all the trim out here is painted. Ew. Ew. Yep, they got the carpet in. This is an upgraded carpet too. This must be one of the higher levels of carpet. Yeah, they knocked this out. They were not messing around. Oh yeah, all the elements are in here. Okay, we gotta talk. I'll call you when I get in the car. Yep. Let's see what they got doing out here. Yep, everything. Yeah, they got everything. All right, see, this is why, guys, you have to make sure you treat your backyards, right? When you get a new backyard, right? This is just weeds that are growing. This is not the grass. The builder will be planting the grass here soon, but this is why you really have to treat, because these are just all wild things that have been growing. So, you know, you wanna treat it. But girl, they got this thing. Yeah, there's that window you talked about. It got broken. I think you saw this. Mm-hmm. Yep, the floors are all in. Mm-hmm. All the elements are in there, the faucets, everything. Even got, you know, things like that. Yep, it's no light. See, they fixing this. Oh yeah, the carpet is in. This is a nice carpet. Oh yeah, you said you didn't. Oh, my client, this was a spec home. This was not her desired carpet. Yeah, because it was light. It's an upgraded carpet, but what wasn't her first choice, I remember. Mm-hmm. All right, but they fixed the closet. They're working on that. Yep. So this one now only has the one closet. Oh my goodness. Yep. A bird in the hand. Okay, so they got it. It's a really popular floor plan, y'all. I have sold this home. Ooh, I've sold this home, oh gosh, probably 5-6 times. Right, different families, because this builder builds all over North Texas. Right, when I first started selling this floor plan, this builder was giving you a rounded window right here. They've recently changed it, and now the window is square. It's still a really big window, but they've kind of modernized it. Right. I had some stuff I was getting ready to do, and we got delayed. So I said, let me go back out and do this real quick. As I said I was, yep. They got the light there. Yeah, this window got broke. Probably a contractor or something. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I can see why you do not with the babies. I can see why you would this would not be your preferred color. Yeah, girl, but they have done their thing. They had a schedule, like almost. They could certainly, at this rate, they could close this in a couple of weeks. Oh yeah. All the elements are here and done too. Lights, all the faucets, right? Toilet, they got the holder there. Yeah, they got everything. This tile on that bathroom, like that. Oh, we gotta come back and do that. Those are just covers. That's really quick. We got the finish out team. I like that little light. Your square window, ma'am. All right, let me get out of here. I'm gonna relax and unwind here. I'm gonna cut up a little bit, y'all, and enjoy this evening. I hope you guys do the same. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at me. Ooh. Ha, I did it. All right, but there we go. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Bye for now.